Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to mine deep ore mining deposits. First of all, go to the Tech Tree, Tier 3, and make sure you got your biofuel deep mining drill. Also the biofuel can and biofuel composter. First, in the biofuel composter, you want to add any kind of materials to make some biofuel and store it in the biofuel can. To learn more about this, check out the other videos on my channel. Also, a useful thing in the Tech Tree, in the Tier 4, is a deep mining ore scanner. But it's not necessary to mine deep ore mining deposits, because it's just going to scan the area and find the nearest deposit and show it to you. So, to get started, you can pull out your deep mining ore scanner, and it's going to send you a signal and the direction. So if you go and follow it, it's going to lead you to a deep mining ore deposit. Of course, you don't need this scanner, you can find this anywhere without it. But once you found it, you're gonna take your deep mining drill and place it on here. Next, you're gonna open the inventory and place a biofuel can inside of it. Now you're gonna see the rate at which it's mining the ores, and that's pretty much it. These are pretty slow. The electric deep mining drills are more efficient, more faster, but this is enough to start mining. As you can see, there's our first ore. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if this was helpful, and see you soon.